Hello everyone! I wanted to share another POP MART story and additions to my collection. This is officially the priciest POP MART set I've ever added to my collection. Definitely a splurge. Why? Why did I buy the seasonal set when it dropped so close to Halloween? It came in way too late to actually enjoy, display, or carry around during the season. Timing wise, it has a pretty short window and will just sit around waiting for the next Halloween season. Like, what was I thinking? There are 3 reasons why I made the hard decision to buy it. It's quite rare that POP MART releases Pendant series that include multiple different IPs in the same set, let alone with vinyl faces. The first Pendant series that I actually bought that included multiple different IPs in the same set was the Pop Bean Coffee Factory series. I mean, does that surprise you? It's all about coffee. The second reason, this is the first time POP MART has released a Twinkle Twinkle figure with a vinyl face, so that makes it a debut edition or a first run release. And the last reason, it's seasonal, which already gives it collector status. Although, POP MART has stated that this is not a limited series release, but I'm not sure if we can count on that. I mean, need I mention the Pumpkin Labubu? It's hard to predict if or when they'll come back around. I got this straight from the POP MART website on launch day, and this took about 12 days to arrive. So let's unbox these and take a look at them together. So this is the box. These are all the characters. The side, and the back. Yes, this is how it arrived to me. Dented! Hopefully it'll be okay. I mean, at least most of the box is in one piece. And there are all the boxes. All right, so let's start with box 1. And let's start with a dented box. Oh, hard to take out. It is stuck in there. Oh! Oh man, what the heck? Yep. Well, at least the figure doesn't actually occupy the entire box. Oh, I don't want to look at the card yet. I just want to be surprised which character is first. It's Molly! It's Molly. Which one is this one? Molly, the string puppet. So, Molly is actually the only character here that I'm not too keen or in love with because of the eyes. I feel like it's drawn in. It's not dimensional, you know? But otherwise, like the outfit, everything is so detailed. So detailed about it. This is actually the Molly character that I prefer over the other one. Like even there, oh, it has socks. I thought you could take it off. It looks like you can't. It's stitched on there. Whoops. But the feet is solid. And so are the hands. Yeah. It's got a little star in there. So that's one. And this is how the card looks like. A little flap. And there you go. Right, next one. All right, let's see. I don't want to look at the cards before I open the bag. I'm trying to see if I can even tell the character from just trying to feel it out. Oh, but I kind of saw it already. And it is Demu! This is actually one of the characters that I really liked out of this series. I mean, the detail on the clothing, that's why it's a lot more expensive, I think, than your regular pendants, is the detail. Like for this hat, there's like beans in there, beans inside. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Yeah, there's beans inside. I guess it's to keep the hat shape, to keep the hat shape. But yes, there's a lot of details on these characters. That's such a cute face. Cute face. Even on the clothes. So look at that. That little face. The colors. Again, the clothes are stitched, but then they are able to sort of be adjusted, and you can sort of play with them. You can't take them off because because it is stitched. But it's beautiful. Look at that. This is one of my favorites. Love it. And the character card. Oops. Again, why so serious? And the third one. At least the box is in one piece. All right. This is the third one. Yeah, I can't tell which character this is. Oh, and I can't find the pendant. Who is this one? Oh, it is also Dimu. Flame Clown. I only have one Dimu, actually. And it's the coffee, or the Pop Bean Coffee series, and yeah. Definitely looks different from this one. So I'm not very familiar with him just as of yet. But again, look at the detailing on their clothes. This is also one of my favorite characters. Oop. The feet is pointed in, let's just point it out. Just the details on the clothes, like that little stitching. And I mean, these are actually stitched, like it's real thread and everything. And the clothing for this one is actually almost feels like cotton sateen almost. Yeah, just the level of detail, it's beautiful. Look at that. And for the card, there you go. The fourth one. Let's see which one this is. This is Hachipupu! Hachipupu! Oh my gosh. I don't have any characters of him. This is my first Hachipupu. Is that right? Yeah, this is my first Hachipupu. So cute. Again, for their hat, there is like a beanbag in there. Look at that. Little, like these are actually stitches. Like these are real stitches. And this is almost like felt material. And this material right here, very soft. Very soft. Look at that. Yeah. And even his little, I don't know, side pocket, side stitching. This is also one of my faves in this series. Too cute. Too cute. And their card. And the fifth one. And I really like the colors in this series. They're very vibrant. All right. The fifth one. Oh, this one is a big one. I'm trying to look for the pendant itself. Oh! It's Labubu! This is what everyone sort of looks for or seeks out in this series, is this Labubu. It is so beautiful. It really is. I mean, it's not scary even though it's for Halloween. It's just cute. Yeah, even the colors. See, look, the colors are great. This is such a cute Labubu. It really is. Can you take off the... Nope, you can't take off the pants. But look at his little bow tie. Oh my gosh. And his little clown makeup with his teeth. And his manicured feet. Look at that. You can turn the feet around actually. And you can sort of bend the arms, but it's really beautiful. I love it. And here is the card. There you go. And so the sixth character. All right. It's getting dark fast, so it's getting darker in the room I'm in. I just took a look at the figure. So I'm trying to look at the pendant. It's Hachi Poo Poo! It is so cute. My gosh. Look at that. Look at his... Oh yeah, see? There's beans in there. Beans. It's a good idea. It's a good thing they did that. I did wonder how these parts of the hat would stay whole, or that it won't just flop over. But look at this little heart. Love it. It's so cute. It really is. Look at that. Another fave in the series. Card. Let me see if I can turn on the light and if that'll make any difference. All right, so I turned on the main lights. I don't know if that makes a difference, but this is the second to the last. I'm wondering if I'm going to get the secret or any of the secret, which actually I don't mind if I don't. Let's see who this is. Oh, Molly! This is the character I actually wasn't too excited over, or this costume. Again, I wish they did something better with the eyes. You know? Made it more maybe dimensional, like her hair. How her hair is dimensional. I wish her eyes were more dimensional. But again, they spared no expense on the clothing, the costume. The costumes on these figures. Yeah, it really is. This is almost like velvet, like crushed velvet. Like even this, the textures, it's great. Look, what happened to our feet? Why is it like that? Yes, here you go. And this is the card. It almost blends, the costume and the card blends together. Last but not least, we already know which one this is because he hasn't made his debut yet. Here we go. The last pendant. Where is this actual pendant? Twinkle Twinkle! Of course! There's something else in the thing. Oh, okay. I guess that's detachable. Yeah, his little bow. So, oops. So, how does that work? Oh, here. Okay. There you go. Twinkle Twinkle. Look at his hat. And it's got, what is that? Does that say? Some writing on there. Oh, Twinkle Twinkle. It says Twinkle Twinkle on there. His little face. His bum is actually filled with beans. Little beans. And his overalls says just smile. Look at that little bear shoe. He doesn't actually have any hands. That's okay. Very pretty. I love it. No secrets, but that's okay. And here's his card. I do still have a couple of days to tote them around, so I'll try to make the most of it. Alright, and that's it for today's unboxing. Thanks for hanging out and sharing this little Pop Mart moment with me. From my cozy corner of collectibles to yours, until next time. Stay curious and keep collecting.